It's Friday.
It's Friday.
Ready to elevate your style? Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
The Morning Brew. The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 the radio the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. Second hour of this radio show, The Morning Brew Show. You're jamming with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. We are coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon for 11 straight years now, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. All right, welcome, welcome, welcome. 11:16 is the time right now. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Check out the ongoing promo there called Chocolate Carnival in celebration of Chocolate Day. All right? So July 7 was Chocolate Day. So it's a month-long celebration up until August 7. Okay? So step right up into the Chocolate Carnival at Royal Duty Free. Spend at least 500 pesos on participating chocolate brands and get the chance to spin the wheel of chocolates for instant prizes. Indulge your sweet tooth and win big. All right? So don't miss out on this sweet opportunity. For more details, check out our print ads. See you at the Chocolate Festival Carnival. All right? Also, check out the social media pages of Royal Duty Free as well as the catalog that's always posted on the official website, www.royalsubic.com. All right? And you may call them up 252-3258 for more inquiries. On with today's holidays and observances and the famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Ayan. Speaking of famous people celebrating their birthdays, unahin ko muna tong pagbati coming from our friend si Nayana. Okay? Sabi niya, pa-happy birthday daw kay Brian Cuerdo. Oh, ayan, Brian ha. Hello, Brian. I'm looking at you right now. Happy birthday sa'yo. Okay, the camera is there. Ayan, Brian Cuerdo, happy birthday. And we hope you will have more birthdays to come. Lahat po na nakikinig ngayon, lahat tayo na nakakarinig, invited po tayong lahat pumunta sa birthday celebration ni Brian Cuerdo. So good po tayong lahat doon sa celebration niya. Mamaya sa Zamboanga del Sur gaganapin. Punta kayo, bahala kayo. Kanya-kanyang pamasahe. Yeah, more birthdays to you. More birthdays to come to you, Brian Cuerdo. Ayan. And from all of us here, of course, yours truly, DJ Tommy G, and everybody here at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. All right? So on now with today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday segment brought to you this time by Wawas Junior Subic Bay Freeport Branch. Bukas na yung Subic Bay Freeport Branch. Stall number 18, one-stop shop building just beside the Subic Gym and Remy Field. Okay? They serve the best tasting mouth-watering burgers, fries, and other tasty snacks that are sure to fit your budget and satisfy your cravings. Okay? So here's the caller text number para sa Subic Bay Freeport Branch, 0927-895-9714. And for the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch, 0927-950-8775. The best tasting flame-grilled quarter-pounder burgers Wawas Jr. is for you. All right. July 12, holidays and observances. Collector Car Appreciation Day. All right. I want to be one. I want to be a collector of cars din. Pero mahirap maging collector of cars if you're not ultra rich. O, anong bibili mo ng car? Wala nga akong car na hindi isa eh. Mag-collector pa kaya. Pero sarap siguro ng feeling, no? Kung nako-collect mo yung mga cars na gusto mo, no? Alright? Among them is ang pinaka-popular, isa sa mga pinaka-popular na car collectors, car lovers, the Prince of Dubai. I forgot. Well, his royalty, kayang-kaya. And popular TV show host, si Jay Leno. Grabe yung collection ni Jay Leno. Kasi million naman yung naging contract niya with his talk shows before. He's retired now, okay? And today is also French Fry Day. French fries. One of the biggest collection of the French to the entire mankind. Okay? Today is also Jello Day, Motorcycle Day. Okay. Lately, maraming nagmomotor lately. Sa Pilipinas, nag-boom bigla yung motorcycle industry. 'Di ba? Dati konti lang eh, pero ngayon grabe na. Motorcycles are here and there and everywhere. So Motorcycle Day on July 12. What else? Paper Bag Day, Simplicity Day, among others. Yan. So those are today's holidays and observances. July 12. And for all of you birthday celebrants for July 12, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays day. Sian Lim, July 12, 1989. All right. Hiwalay na sila ni nag-break na sila ni Kim Chu. Showbiz Marites tayo. Sian Lim is a singer, actor, model, TV star. July 12, 1989. Okay? Next up, we have PBA's Scotty Thompson, one of today's most popular basketball players. He plays for the Ginebra, of course, Ginebra Gene Kings. Ayan. He was born July 12, 1993. Next up, we have Marco Alcaraz, who is an artista, okay, and also basketball player and model. Okay, July 12, 1983. All right. He is a former varsity basketball player at San Sebastian College Recoletos. And his first movie was Aiste Mas, 1941, Mahal Kita. And with Dennis Trillo. You guys remember? Okay. Next up, we have TV actress Phoebe Tonkin, who is Haley on The Vampire Diaries, July 12, 1989. Melissa O'Neill, TV actress. She is in iZombie, Dark Matter, The Rookie, the ABC series The Rookie. Marami pa, no? So, TV actress Melissa O'Neill turns 36 today. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander of the NBA. All right? He played for the University of Kentucky in the NCAA before declaring for the NBA. All right? So, he is currently playing for Oklahoma City Thunder na lumakas. Malakas na yung team na yun ngayon, di ba? They contended for the Western Conference, di ba? Okay. And he was born July 12, 1998. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, movie actress. Astig na movie actress to, no? Action star na female. Michelle Rodriguez, July 12, 1978. Among the movies tucked under her belt, Fast and the Furious franchise, series of movies, TV's Lost. She was also Rain Ocampo in Resident Evil and Resident Evil Mother-in-Law. Retribution. Sorry, kamali. Yung iba yan ang tawag sa sa Mother-in-Law, Resident Evil. And Steve Howie, who is also a TV actor. He was in Showtime's Shameless. All right, so there you go. There you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you July 12 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
shout out din kay Kuya Jason Lorenzana and everybody at the Olongapo Barangayan Facebook page. And follow nyo po yung Barangayan Facebook page. Get updated with the latest in and around the city. Beautiful city of Olongapo, ang ating syudad. Okay? The Olongapo Barangayan page. Yun lang yung hanapin nyo sa Facebook page. Barangayan. Okay? So thank you for always sharing the video, ha? Kuya Jason Lorenzana. Shout out na rin sa entire Lorenzana family. Alrighty. Here's our next cool Friday Rewind song. Alam niyo naman, pag Friday, 80s and 90s, 70s, 80s and 90s, all Friday long. Giving you something now from Skid Row. This one's called Wasted Time, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. We'll go back to 1991.